Welcome back to Drama Tuesdays. Today, we have Trump being called a pedophile by a worker. Now, let's check this out. I believe this was the Ford worker. Yeah. This is just classic Trump here. We got the mouthing of FU, I believe we saw here. Yeah, right here. That's a clear F-bomb dropped by Trump. You can see he starts to walk. Oh, he has another F-bomb right there. As he continues to walk off. And this is my favorite part. Flips the bird. Absolute classic Trump. Flipping the bird. If I was called a pedophile too, I would probably flip the bird too.